Welcome to my channel. In this video we are gonna be making McDonald's nail art. In my middle finger I'm gonna be making burger design. For this I'm applying nail vinyl in top and bottom part of my nail. Now I'm painting top and bottom part of my nail brown color. When the nail paint is still wet, remove the nail vinyls. Now I'm making a white stripe just above the brown part. Using dark brown color, I'm drawing a thick line above white line for meat patty. Above brown line, I am painting red line for tomato sauce and green line for lettuce. Now using yellow color, I am making cheese slice and completing the design by making sesame seed on burger bun by using white color. I am painting my ring finger red and making McDonald's logo in middle. In my pinky finger, I am making a french fries box using red color and some french fries using yellow color. Now I am outlining french fries using black color. I'm painting half of my index finger's nail white and making another McDonald's logo in between. Now I'm completing this design by adding a straw in top. Here's some final result. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.